Hello, my name is Rachel and welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you a Freetrade account update. Now, I downloaded Freetrade back at the start of January and invested £100 into a few different stocks and shares, and then what I did was I just left that account alone and didn't really focus on it, focused on my other investments in my investment ISA, and then decided last month that I really needed to take a look at it, focus on it and start investing £25 a month, so dollar cost averaging, which is basically putting the same amount of money in every single month and seeing how it goes. So I really wanted to boost the performance of this account with Freetrade, so I thought that if I was actually investing on a monthly basis, this would mean that I would actually focus on the different stocks and shares I have and decide whether to buy more or to sell a few that I felt had met a price that I was happy with. So paying attention to this account has definitely paid off and I am so pleased. My account is now showing at 6.2% up, which I'm so pleased with, because if you watched last month's video I was actually down and I was very annoyed with myself for not focusing on this account at all. So I put £25 in this month and I bought 2 new shares with it, so I'll be sharing those shares with you in this video today, and I will also be talking through my account as a whole. So my account balance, I popped another £25 in, it's now sitting at £214.05 is the account balance on this, having put £100 in January and then £25 in for the last couple of months. Now obviously that sounds like a massive jump, but actually the increase of £64.05, some of that is coming from free shares, so I've deducted that when I'm talking about the percentage increase. So I have included on the screen all of the free shares that I have had from people using the link down below to sign up, where they get a free share and so do I. So thank you so very much to anyone that's used that link. It's awesome to hear what shares you've got. I had a comment on a video recently which was someone sharing which share they'd got for free, which was awesome to see, and thank you so much for using my link. So I have deducted all of the free shares from the final figures because I think it's important that you know that those percentage gains aren't from my wonderful investing, they're actually from free shares. But the 6.2% increase since January is from my investing, and to be honest, that's probably a 6.2% increase, well more than that, around a 9% increase in the last month, because my account was down last month. So I really feel like I've taken hold of this account, taken the bull by its horns, and got on with investing and sorting out this account. So you'll see that one of the investments that I made from last month was Nextera Energy, and I'm really pleased to say that is currently up 6.27%, which I'm so pleased about. First of all, I am going to share with you the 2 investments that I have added to my account this month. I bought £9.98 worth of these 2 investments, and the first one is Marvell technology, which is MRVL. So this is a semiconductor company, and you'll know from my other portfolios that I really like semiconductor companies. So Marvell is a technology company and is a data infrastructure semiconductor solutions provider, if you want the official information on what Marvell does, but I am very pleased to have added that to my portfolio. The second stock that I added another £9.98 to my portfolio is Therapeutics, which is SMMT. Now you'll know from my portfolios that I do like to invest in tech and then also in healthcare, and this is obviously another healthcare company. So Therapeutics is a healthcare company focused on developing treatments for infectious diseases. They've had a really good year. It'll be interesting to see how they do over the next year. Just to say also in this video, if you're coming to this channel and you've not seen any of my videos before, I do tend to focus the majority of my investments into my investment ISA, which is with Barclays Smart Investor, and I also have one with Fidelity as well, and within them I tend to buy ETFs, trusts and funds. So the Freetrade account and the Trading 212 account that I have are where I kind of do my fun investing and I buy individual stocks and shares, whereas the bulk of my investments in my investment ISA are in more diversified trusts, ETFs and funds. So that's where I do the bulk of my investing. So please do understand that this is just a kind of fun account for me to keep up with the stock market, do a little bit of research and aim to do well out of individual stocks and shares, but it's certainly not the bulk of my investing. I also have lots of videos if you want to see what's in all my different investment ISAs. I share that in lots of other videos, so please do subscribe if you want to see that. So now going into each of the individual stocks and shares I now hold in this account. So the first one is Nexteria Energy, which I actually purchased for the first time last month. That is currently up. The second one is NEO, which I purchased last month, which is down at the moment. And I have Dexcom, which is a diabetes company, so they are doing really well at the moment. So the gain at the moment is showing at 42% up for them. The next one is Twilio, again that is up. Netflix, which is also up. UMC, which is up quite a lot, so it did really well over the last month. It's up 19.71% and it actually went up 18.76% in the last month. So UMC has had a phenomenal month. So I've actually bought UMC a couple of times in this account, just small amounts. The next stock that I have is Square, which is up over 20% overall. Then Solar Edge, which is down at the moment, down 10%. Xylabs, which is one that was doing so well for me, but obviously it is a Chinese stock which are not doing so well at the moment, but I do plan to hold on to it and hopefully it will continue to grow in value. It is still up, but it was up nearer 40% at one point in the year. The next one is Ceres or Ceres, which is down at the moment. Then I've got Marvell Technology, which I've just added in, as I said. Then Therapeutics, which I've also just added in. Then C, which is currently up, just up over 17%. Then S&P Utilities, which was actually one of my free shares that I decided to keep. So these last two are two free shares, which is why they're quite small values. So they are at a value of £5.47 and £4.92. So they are at a value of £5.47 and £4.92, the following two shares, because the free shares do tend to be around about the £5 mark, I found. They can get all the way up, I believe, to £200, but I tend to get the ones that are around about the £4 to £5 mark. I think the biggest free share that I've got was £7, which was amazing. But yeah, S&P Utilities was one that I decided to keep and it is up 5.47%. And another share that I got for free that I decided to keep is Royal Mail. The value of that is currently £4.92 and it is up over 6%. The reason I decided to hold Royal Mail is because I actually purchased Royal Mail around about a year ago in my Trading 212 account, and it's currently up over 100% in my Trading 212 account. And I thought, you know what, it's doing really well in my Trading 212 account. I actually chose to purchase it in my Trading 212 account. So I saw when I got the free share of Royal Mail, I thought that is one I want to hold on to, and I'm really pleased that I have. So thank you so much to anyone who has used the link down below for these free shares, because some of them are absolute corkers and I'm very happy with them, so thank you very much. If you would like me to add any more information to these free trade updates, then please do let me know. Hopefully next month we'll be seeing another percentage gain, because I would really like to pick this performance up on this free trade account, because as I said, for the start of the year I wasn't really focusing on it because I wasn't investing regularly into it. I kind of put the £100 in and then just left it there and didn't really look at it, and focused on my ISA and also my pension, so my SIP. I focused on that as well and then stopped looking at this. But I am back on it and I'm really interested to see how it goes. So thank you all very much for watching. I hope you're having a really lovely day and good luck with all your investments. Please do your own research when you're investing. Definitely don't copy me, although I'm very enthusiastic and like doing my research. I am not an expert or a pro, but thank you very much for watching anyway. Wishing you all the best. Bye bye.